What's up, everybody? This is the Hillbilly Deluxe, Mike. He's with us today. We got another driver here, Perry, loading cement trucks. What do you think, Mike?
It's been fun. You'll see them.
Yeah.
It's very interesting loading these.
Yeah, we got 2 of them loaded. We got 1 more to go. We'll show you loading on Perry's, but we'll show you real quick what we got. Oh, by the way, there's the Hillbilly Deluxe.
She's actually clean.
She's clean. We cleaned her all weekend because he didn't do anything. But this is what we got on, everybody. We got cement trucks. This one's mine. There's the Hillbilly Deluxes. But yeah, so we're gonna chain it around these axles here, and we're gonna put another chain back here on the drive here, and then we're gonna come back here and probably go off this back drive back in there. So we'll have 2 pulling forward and 1 pulling backwards, but we'll make it work. We'll get her done. So all right, well, we'll come back at you guys here when Perry gets over here with his chassis or cement truck and show you how we're gonna load it. All right, see you in a bit.